is 10666. It is a 1-story, 2-bedroom royal suite on the Disney Treasure. It has 2.5 bathrooms here. Really, it does have a shower, so it's more than a half. Big living room, kitchen area, some Mickey bars in there, fully stocked fridge, and the 2nd bedroom here, closet, 2nd bathroom, there is a huge wraparound veranda that wraps all the way around. Probably will not go outside because it's very windy out there. There's a big closet area. There's the primary bedroom with TV at the foot of the bed and gorgeous views. And the hot tub's right out there. All still part of the same sweeping veranda. And the primary bathroom with the frosted glass. You can frost and unfrost. And Bulgari products. And this is it. It's a beautiful, beautiful room.